I have some very exciting news to share with you guys. I've been selected to be the Better Homes and Gardens Style Maker of 2019. And can we talk about a dream come true, you guys? It's so amazing. Here's a sneak peek of what I will be sharing on my blog and website at BeMyGuestWithDenise.com. And this is the Better Homes and Gardens at Walmart products. Amazing, right, you guys? You have to come over to my blog to see it to believe it. I will provide a link to my blog post, and I want to encourage you to sign up for my email alerts when I post each month. Is going to be fabulous. Wait, there's more news. Many of you have seen my 3 minutes of fame on my local TV station here in Jacksonville, Florida, and it was such an honor to be on River City Live where I shared my at-home spa day with your girlfriends, and they loved it so much they wanted to share it with the world. It was so amazing, you guys. So I want to thank you all for supporting me throughout the years and here on YouTube and my other social platforms. Thank you so very much. I wouldn't be here without you guys. I mean that from the heart. It doesn't go unnoticed. I will leave a link down below to my interview as well. Being strategic in purchasing your home decor to complement and highlight pieces is a smart move. In fact, you should always choose pieces that are timeless, and I will be sharing some of my favorite home decor trends that are not only timeless, but they are here to stay. Gold wreaths on a marble stand is definitely trending. It's a natural beauty that meets glam. This inspo pick by Kathy Koo retails for $238. Kirkland's have them in a galvanized metal that you could spray paint gold, rose gold, or even silver if you like, and they were on clearance for only $19.99. The large one was a DIY. If you'd like to see how I made it, leave me a comment down below. You may have noticed I did some furniture swapping and placed our sectional up in the loft space, and honestly it looks so much better in this space, and I will be sharing a room tour after my new Ottomans arrive. I'm replacing my dated Ottomans with these two beauties, and I cannot wait for them to come. Please be sure to look out for that room tour. Design trends come and go, but marble is the one thing that's here to stay. It's a classic. Marble can often be pricey, but I came across some really nice sophisticated pieces that will not break the bank. And these gold and marble pedestal stands are from World Market, and I love them for the presentation that they offer. You can imagine a beautiful cake or cheese and fruit displayed on these gold pedestal stands, and they come in small and medium sizes, and they are very easy to store. Don't stash your cutting board away. Display them on your kitchen counters or wall. I hauled these two boards from at-home stores a while ago. It's bright and bold, and it complements the colors in our kitchen. Create the perfect cheese platter with this large round white marble and wood paddle cutting board. It's so unique with its mango wood stripes. This board is perfect for prepping or serving cheese samplers. Your food would definitely be the star of the show, and it's also from World Market. These marble and brass aluminum candle holders are total luxe. I love the retro design of them, and with the brushed metal, it brings them up to date. You may remember this marble tray I got from at-home stores a while back, and I placed the candle holders on top of them for a layered look. My marble obsession is never ending. You have seen me haul this marble bowl for $9 at HomeGoods. Regular price $40. I love layering as many pieces as I can to make it more interesting. Again, I am using the marble tray that I already had. They both make a statement. The hipster and I love dragon fruit, and there's so many benefits. It's high in nutrients, it's loaded with fiber, and it strengthens your immune system, and so much more. You got to admit, they look pretty beautiful inside this bowl. Glass display boxes are here to stay because there's so many ways you can use them other than for jewelry. You've seen how I've used this small glass box to house our coasters. It's decorative and functional and contained to keep your coffee table neat. Inside my Bombay chest, I'm keeping our special occasion flatware inside a longer gold box. You can take them out and place them on the buffet, easy as can be, and I love the way they look. Monogram napkins are also classic. They're now a lot more affordable than back in the day. In fact, you can make them yourself by using iron-on lettering. You've been warned, I love marble. Keep a tray to corral your dish soaps and your hand soaps. It will help to keep your sink area from getting yucky. I've had this marble tray for years near my sink, and if you use a sink tray, try to get one with little feet so the water does not settle. Ginger jars is another home accent piece that's here to stay, and I've always loved and appreciated ginger jars because my mom has about 100 of them, and I'm not kidding you guys. I'm drawn to the white jars because you can always add pops of colored flowers to them to match your decor. And my latest is this filigree jar from Z Gallery, and many Z Galleries are going out of business, including the one near me, and I've scored some pretty amazing deals, including a deal on this filigree jar. And I've also purchased the motherload of ginger jars from Home Goods about a month ago, and it's huge. It stands 3 feet tall. It's as tall as my Bombay chest. The regular price was $150 and I got it for $120 because there was a small crack on the rim. When the lid is on it, you can't even see it. Don't forget to head over to my blog at BeMyGuestWithDenise.com so you can read the deets on making house a home with better homes and gardens at Walmart. Resources, links, prices are all on the blog, and I want to thank you all for watching.